Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here with me today. So for today I have a textured piece for you, and this was a test canvas that I did. I have a client that wants a couple of really large pieces of modern minimalist texture art. So I've been putting some ideas down on canvas and sending them off to them, and this was one I've been really happy with. So I just wanted to share that process with you guys. And yeah, I hope everybody is doing well out there, taking care of their mental health. I hope that you can find some steadiness in your art practice, and yeah, just be kind to yourselves. Take care. So I'm starting off here with just a canvas that I have 2 coats of black paint on, and I'm marking off my composition here. And it's important, I think, when you're talking about modern pieces, that even if you're using angles and things like that, art tends to view better to most people if there's a little bit of asymmetry to it. So I'm not marking it perfectly centered from top to bottom. It is centered left to right, and this will all begin to make sense once you start seeing me put tape down. But I do have it a little off-centered from top to bottom, and I really like that composition a little bit better. Now, the first product you're going to see me using here is a Quickcrete, which is a pre-mixed cement product, and I wanted really modern texture, so not just texture, but something that had a more modern feel to it, and I feel like cement does that really well. Now, I'm using the pre-mixed stuff because working in a small studio space, I didn't want to have to get my respirator out and all of that sort of stuff. And you really, really do not want to be breathing in the powdered cement dust. So I did decide to go with the pre-mix thing. Now here what you see is I had plopped some down, and then I decided that I wanted to add some polymer to this. And this is going to help it stick just a little bit better, because I was a little worried about it lifting off of the canvas. So that's what I'm doing there. And now I'm just putting it down, and I'm going to spread it out and give it a little bit of added texture.
On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future, rolling over all the dividing things. Are you still listening? Wanna be heard by you? Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be leave. When it's morning and my soul is clear, I look in the mirror and I see that love rolling over. You call me back to bed, I find myself again staring at the edge. Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again. I wake up a wild one takes me there.
Gonna stay out in the cold, where it never gets old. Gonna burn out slowly with my silver and gold. Turn my life into a circus, go from town to town. Invite everyone to see. I'm both a lion and clown. What if we start over? Get a second chance. Well, my kids read Voltaire, and attack was his defense. Love without remorse. Your life in my hand and mine in yours. Well, on my way to the promised land. I get what you feel, but not what you say. Telling me to stay. Don't let them fool you. Just a trick of the trade. Yeah, they'll keep you busy while it fades away. The news on repeat. When I'm in my car, so I turn up the heat. I know I won't get far. Oh, look here, do that. Swipe right, turn left.
Here we are with the final results. Really happy with this. I am going to send this off to my clients, see what they think, and hopefully I'll be making a big one of these. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a beautiful day.